Welcome to our channel and Eid Mubarak. Today, we have a creative and beautiful way to make Eid sweets. If you like these types of sweets, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with friends. Let's start with these sweets that both adults and kids will love. First, to start making these sweets, get a bowl and put in butter, a cup of oil, a cup of powdered sugar, vanilla, and 1 egg. Then, add 2 cups of flour with a bit of baking powder and keep adding flour until you get a firm dough. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 2 parts. Add cocoa powder to 1 part to get white dough and chocolate dough. Hopefully, you will like the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Now we move to the shaping stage to prepare sweets in the shape of an Eid sheep. Use a cookie cutter to shape the dough into circles or any shape you prefer. Use the chocolate dough for the details. Repeat the process using the chocolate dough to decorate the white dough and vice versa. Now, make small circles for the sheep's head, half circles for the ears, and small pieces for the legs. In the end, you'll have beautiful sheep-shaped sweets. Shape the desserts uniformly and beautifully. Try using auxiliary tools such as spoons or special molds. When putting them in the oven, make sure to preheat the oven and adjust the temperature according to the recipe instructions. And don't forget the importance of monitoring the baking process in the oven, as each oven differs in heat distribution and baking speed. In the second shape, roll the dough into long shapes. Place white and black dough together and combine them. Then, use a sharp knife to cut them into pieces, roll them into rose shapes, and press a piece of chocolate in the center. Use your hand to shape it into a fan. For the last shape, make small circles from the black and white dough and place them in a baking tray. Then, use a fork to press on the edges to give a nice, beautiful shape. In the next step, you can use cream or chocolate for decoration. Then put some chocolate in the center and combine the 2 shapes. Finally, add a sprinkle of powdered sugar and serve them on a plate. I hope the sweets turn out great for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future sweets, feel free to leave them in the comments. Eid Mubarak. Enjoy. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video tomorrow. Inshallah.